dignitaries, good evening. On behalf of the Ritu Beri Fashion Fraternity, a very warm mega fashion event, Siyaram's Designer 1997 in August. We have here on stage with us Mr. Of course, she's been a politician, I think she still is, but she's a wonderful TV anchor person. Miss Vinita D. Nangia, she's the lovely lady, the editor of Saturday Times, and an IAS officer. Dr. Mrs. Kiran Bedi is not here with us today at the moment. We have Miss Dilshad Sheikh, a very well-known, beautiful lady, always doing things for my very personal favorite, Mr. Shashank Varthi. He is the general manager of Taj Palace Hotel. On stage we have, of course, the wonderful lady, the designer herself, Miss Ritu Beri. Her is with a few lines being quoted here as to what she believes in. There is a belief that one must give back something of what one received. I too have received, and now I feel it is time for me to return a part of the fortune bounty to those
working with young talent, young designers from NIFT, from all over the country actually, and working with them, trying to get them off the ground, trying to give them hands-on knowledge on working with the industry, to training them in my studio. And I realized that it was important to give them a kind of platform where they could actually stand up and prove themselves as being more talented than any of us. This is the opportunity that I have got today thanks to Mr. R.K. Podar, who's chairman Siyaram. He's supporting this event that we are planning in August, which is the Siyaram's Designer 97, wherein we are going to introduce 30 new designers to, shall I say, the fashion industry, who would prove themselves by showing their collection to the press, to the media, to the industry in large. And this is what we are here to announce this evening. I have with me respected people on my advisory board, in front of whom I feel really small talking, because they have a lot more to offer and they're going to be the backbone behind my achievements and my endeavor. I believe that these students, they might not need me, but they might. I'll let my head be in their sight. A smile as small as might be precisely their necessity, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm going to request Mr. Gangadhar to come and say a few words, as he's representing Mr. R.K. Podar, who's sponsoring the entire event. Thank you very much.
Before Mr. Gangadhar comes and speaks to us, I'd like to say a few words of Siyaram's, and he is instrumental as far as all aspects of marketing and advertising goes. I want to say a few words about the company really behind this event. Siyaram's has been a story of commitment, synthetic fabrics in the country. 250 metric tons of yarn is manufactured every month, and Siyaram has a strong distribution network, and they have the latest technology and machines at their command to its customers, its future, its ideals, and its goals. The event Siyaram's Designer 97 will be the first of its kind, and Siyaram is delighted to be associated with this event that would further reiterate the group's commitment to the fashion industry. I now invite Mr. N. Gangadhar.
With the Ritu Beri Fashion Fraternity, we owe our strengths and success to our proactive approach to understanding and fulfilling the needs of the Indian consumer, and hence deliver goods of only the most superior quality to discerning customers. The Indian fashion design scene is seeing interesting times when it is opening up and looking ahead to make mark in the international scenario. There is a lot of potential in our country, and there are several talented designers waiting to be discovered. We believe in what Ms. Beri is working on and assisting and promising young talent by providing a platform with opportunities to establish themselves. I am happy to be associated with the Designer 97. The roots of fashion go deep into the yesteryears, but today one sees an all-round awareness in every field, be it advertising, media, press campaign, corporate image building, etc. Fashion seems to be taking a focal position. The versatility of fashion is endless. It is not just restricted to fashion meccas like Paris, London, New York, or Milan, but now is a global phenomenon. The Indian fashion industry has also undergone a tremendous change. I feel this is the first step, and we are sure that together all of us will bring about a revolution in the world of fashion. Thank you.